everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette. For today's video, I will be showing you M Cosmetics' newest launch, their Daydream Cushion. Now, I'm a K-beauty lover and therefore I love cushions. They're very cute. They're in a little compact. Your foundation is in there. You can take it anywhere. You can just place it on your purse and then touch up during the day if you need to, and I just think they're super convenient. I ordered this cushion like a week ago or so, and I finally got the time to sit down and film this for you. I couldn't wait any longer because I've been dying to open this right here, Daydream Cushion, with you guys. So here it is. This is the box that it came with. So it's very cute. It's dreamy, just like all the packaging from M Cosmetics. Let me show you what this actually looks like. I'm super excited, you guys. I really waited super long to open this baby up. Finally. I've been dying to open this. So here it is. This is their M Cosmetics Daydream Cushion. Let's open it up and ta-da! I'm telling you, it's brand new. Look at this petal shaped puff. Do you guys see it? It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Now this petal puff right here is ergonomically designed. It's unique and it's antibacterial. This is super important that it's antibacterial, so I'm super happy that it is. And I'm also loving the cute petal puff shape. And we open it up. Your dream awaits you. Yes, it really does, because I've seen so many amazing reviews about this cushion, so I cannot wait to give this a try. Let's open this baby up. Here we go. Voila! Finally! Woohoo! I hope I picked the right shade. This is Sweet Secret. So this is for medium tan shades. I have olive skin tone. Oh wow, do you guys see that glow already? Wow, M, I see you again. I can see why this is a petal shaped puff, because you can actually get perfectly into your under eye area. Oh, this is actually the right shade for me too. It's blending beautifully. Wow. Now this cushion is formulated with a micronutrient rich complex developed in Korea to help hydrate and refine the skin's texture. It has SPF 50 PA+++. Some of the key ingredients to mention are goji berry extract, rice water, green tea extract, and also green papaya fruit extract, and niacinamide and snow mushroom extract. Now this is a serum infused tinted cushion. It's sheer, it's buildable. It provides a hint of color that enhances your skin tone. Okay, so I finished all of my face. It has all the right ingredients. Amazing skincare ingredient. I'm loving how this looks on my skin. It makes my skin nice and glowy. It has diffused some of my imperfections. Now let's finish off the face, because I'm super excited that I finally got to wear this cushion with you guys. I waited this long because I needed to share this moment with you guys. So let's finish this look off with, I'm gonna use M Cosmetics. This is the Heaven's Glow in Faded Clementine. Gorgeous blush. I will link the video in here so you guys can watch also my first impressions, and I'm just going to apply it here. Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful already. Can you guys see? So pretty. And a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna apply some here on the tip of my nose, maybe here on the bridge of my nose, chin, and gorgeous. And now I'm just going to go in with Morning Dew. This is also by M Cosmetics. Apply some on my lips. And I'm also going to use Faded Clementine. This is part of the Infinite Lip Clouds from Cosmetics. And again, this is in the shade Faded Clementine. Alright guys, I am super impressed with this cushion. I really like the fact that it's $48, but you get two for the price of one. They have all of these shades right here. I'm sure they will be expanding to add more shades, of course. But for now, these are all the shades they have. And also, I just looked online and this shade specifically is sold out. But I'm sure they will restock soon. I thank you all so much for watching my first impressions on this brand new Daydream cushion. To me, it is a daydream. I love how it feels on the skin, how it wears on the skin, how the beautiful glow. I'm all about the glow. And I'm just happy with my purchase. Also, if you're curious about my makeup, everything I have on my face right now is from Cosmetics. Now I can finally create a whole look using Cosmetics, and that makes me super happy. And the way, this video is not a sponsor in any way, shape or form. I just love Cosmetics so much. And also I love Michelle Phan, and I just love all the love, the care, and the effort that she puts into this brand. Let me know if you guys have tried any Cosmetics products before, and let me know if you've tried this cushion already. And this hybrid right here is goals. Alright, I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Besitos.